Here's something nobody says out loud about side hustles. Most of them aren't side hustles. They're second jobs. You work a 9 to 5, come home exhausted, and spend your evenings grinding away for someone else's platform, delivering food, driving strangers around, completing micro tasks for $4 an hour. That's not financial freedom. That's just more time sold. And here's the crazy part. There are online side hustles in 2026 that work completely differently, where your effort today generates income next month, where the platform works for you instead of against you. According to Bankrate, 36% of working Americans currently have a side hustle, and the average monthly income from those side gigs sits at roughly $885. But the real story is in the gap between the bottom and the top. Some people are trading hours for pocket change. Others are building income streams that outgrow their day job. The difference isn't talent, it's which game you're playing. That's what this video is about. Hey there, my name is T, and I've spent serious time researching what's actually working for beginners trying to make money online in 2026. Not 5 years ago. Not in theory. Right now. Because look, the online landscape has shifted dramatically. Some side hustles that crushed it in 2020 are dead today. And opportunities that barely existed back then are making ordinary people real money right now. Jim Rohn once said, "Profits are better than wages. Wages make you a living, profits make you a fortune." That single sentence contains the entire philosophy behind this video. Wages have a ceiling. You can only work so many hours. Profit-based systems don't. If you want to make extra income online, without a big upfront cost, without needing a following, and without quitting your job, stick around. Because the 5 side hustles I'm covering are the ones I'd start with if I was beginning from zero today. Imagine 2 people trying to fill a swimming pool. Person A uses a cup. Every day, they scoop water from the ocean, walk to the pool, pour it in. Day after day, it's exhausting. The pool barely fills. Person B installs a pipe, takes a weekend to set up. But once it's running, water flows without carrying anything. Most popular side hustles are the cup method. More effort, more time, marginal result. The best online side hustles are the pipe method. Front-loaded work, long-term flow. That difference, that thing that separates earning from building, that's what we're breaking down today. Because the goal shouldn't be another wage, the goal should be a system. Side hustle, number 1, selling digital products. You create something once, a Canva template, a budgeting guide, a prompt pack, and sell it indefinitely. No shipping, no inventory, no ongoing work. Here's what that actually looks like in real life. Rachel Jimenez was a college administrator with no design background and no business experience. She started experimenting with digital printables on Etsy, scavenger hunt games, flyer templates, simple PDF downloads. In 2023, she made over $77,000 from those digital products alone. Not from a massive audience, not from a marketing budget, from creating files once and letting the platform's built-in search traffic do the discovery. She was just an ordinary person who decided to publish instead of wait. That's the cleanest beginner side hustle in 2026. Low barrier to entry, high scalability, and the only asset you need is knowledge someone else wants. We broke this down in detail in a previous video, link is in the description. Side hustle number 2, faceless YouTube channel. Here's the truth about YouTube most people miss. You don't have to show your face. Thousands of channels earn consistent monthly income from videos using AI voiceovers, stock footage, and simple editing. Finance channels, motivation channels, history breakdowns. The model is simple. Pick a niche, script a video, use AI tools to produce it. Monetize through ad revenue, affiliate links, and digital products. Oxford Economics recently released a study quantifying YouTube's creator economy, and their findings confirm that creators who treat their channels as long-term content libraries, not one-off uploads, generate substantially more income over time. Because once a video ranks, it sends viewers and income for years. Faceless or not, the asset keeps working. Side hustle number 3, freelance content writing. In 2026, businesses need content more than ever. blog posts, email sequences, product descriptions, LinkedIn articles. And most business owners don't want to write it themselves. If you can write clearly and deliver fast, you can start earning within your first week on platforms like Contra or Upwork. No degree required, no prior clients required, just the ability to explain things in plain English. AI makes this more powerful, not by replacing you, but by multiplying how fast you work. You bring the clarity, AI handles the draft. You polish and deliver. That combination is the new competitive advantage, and the market is only growing. Upwork reports that 64 million Americans, 38% of the entire US workforce, are now engaged in freelance work of some kind. Businesses have normalized hiring independent talent. The door is wide open. Side hustle number 4, affiliate marketing. This one gets misunderstood constantly. Affiliate marketing is not about spamming links. It's about recommending products you actually use with a link that pays you a commission when someone buys, an honest review, a comparison video, a best tools for beginners post. The numbers behind this are staggering. US affiliate marketing spending surpassed $12 billion in 2025, up from roughly $8.6 billion just a few years earlier. Companies are pouring money into affiliate programs because they work, and they're looking for people to promote them. The beginner mistake? Promoting everything. The smart move? Promoting one category deeply. Own that recommendation in one niche, and commissions compound over time. Side hustle number 5. AI-assisted services. Here's the new opportunity most people haven't figured out yet. Businesses are desperate for people who understand AI tools, but they don't have time to learn them themselves. You learn Canva AI, ChatGPT, or video editing automation. You offer those services, thumbnails, social content, email drafts, to small businesses. They pay for your output. AI tools do half the work. You keep the difference. Sarah Blakely, the founder of Spanx, who built a billion-dollar business starting with zero experience, put it perfectly. Don't be intimidated by what you don't know. That can be your greatest strength and ensure that you do things differently from everyone else. That's not permission to fake it. It's permission to start while you're still learning. How to actually start. Most people who want to start a side hustle get paralyzed by the same question. Which one should I pick? Wrong question. The right question is, which one fits my current life? If you have 30 minutes a day, digital products or affiliate marketing. Low maintenance once built. If you have 2 hours a day and like creating, YouTube or writing services. If you want income faster, freelance services. Start pitching this week. One more thing, and this is important. Stop treating your side hustle like a hobby. Hobbies get done when you feel like it. A business has a schedule. 1 hour a day, consistently, beats 5 hours occasionally. Every single time. That's low-hanging fruit most people never pick. Look, here's the uncomfortable truth about online side hustles in 2026. The window is still open, but not forever. Every opportunity that ever existed online had an early period, where ordinary people got in, worked smart, and built real income. Blogging, YouTube, dropshipping, online courses, each of them. Goldman Sachs research projects, the creator economy will reach $480 billion by 2027, nearly double its current size. That growth isn't going to the people sitting on the sidelines. And in every case, the people who waited for certainty. I'll start when I have more time, when things calm down, when I know enough. Those people watched others build what they could have built. Here's how I think about it. If you start a side hustle today and it fails, you lose a few months of effort. If you don't start, and someone else does, you lose years of income. The risk of starting is small. The risk of waiting is expensive. Mark Cuban said it directly. Work like there is someone working 24 hours a day to take it away from you. That's not paranoia. That's how competitive the real world is. Someone out there is starting today. Make sure it's you. So here's your move, right now. Before this video ends, pick one side hustle from this list. Write down one first step, not 10 steps. 1. Chris Guillebeau, who wrote the book literally called Side Hustle, put the whole thing into one sentence. A side hustle isn't just about making extra money, it's about taking control of your income instead of waiting for someone else to decide your worth. That's the whole game. Control. Not more hours. Not more grinding. Control. So, pick one. Start small. Ship something this week. If this gave you something real to work with, subscribe to the channel and drop a comment. Which side hustle are you starting first? I read every single one. Welcome to T's Tricks. Let's grow together.